Hey everyone, just a quick video today, another quick one. I'm not really set up at the moment to shoot proper videos just because I've got big changes coming. I've got a big announcement to make for the channel, but I don't want to say too much about that. The announcement will be on the 1st of December where I'll reveal everything. But today I just want to do a quick video to show you something very, very interesting that happened during an injection now. So I don't know if you can see on the screen here, but I've got a syringe up here, one that I used for an injection. I was going to do a quad injection, basically to inject testosterone into my leg, my quad for my TRT. And when I aspirated, and yes, I still aspirate, and this is one of the reasons I do, when I aspirated, instead of getting blood in the syringe or air bubbles, I got this weird pink orangey tissue. Right, so my suspicion is that this is probably fat or cellulite, which is quite odd because my legs are pretty lean, so I wouldn't imagine ever getting into the fat layer. The needle was in all the way. However, this is what I got, so maybe I was just slightly off the usual injection site and I was in fat by some strange manner or strange way, but just very interesting. I want to show you what it looks like in the syringe. I'm shooting with my phone, so it's a bit difficult to see, but hopefully you can see the color. I'm going to draw back a little bit on here. So if you look at that, it's like a thick pink sort of tissuey material. So again, I don't know. This is the first time for me. I'm going to look a bit into it. It is possible to draw fat through a needle and syringe, so my guess is this is what it would be. But if that's the case, at least now we've got some sort of evidence for those of you that encounter this yourselves in future, because it looks very weird. It looks like I sucked up a little bit of the blob or an alien into my syringe. So obviously I did not go on with that injection. I just kept this syringe aside so I could show everyone what this looks like. So there you go. My guess is that this is a fat or cellulite in the syringe. Maybe makes a case for why you should always aspirate. I don't know, even after doing this for these injections for more than I can't even count how many years now, there's always a first time for everything. So, have a look at that, make of it what you will. And this is why we share these things. So, till I see you guys next time, have a good one.